To end this tutorial, I would like to show you a nice design trick with the float instruction. I'm going to select now my content container. I'm going to press I to add an image. I'm going to change that image and I'm going to search for the brand castle. Perfect. I'm going to place my image on top of the text and I'm going to group them together. I'm doing that by right-clicking here and I'm saying group. Now, this container needs to be set as block, and the final instruction I need to add is the float instruction. In the advanced tab, I'm going to type float and I'm going to go for left. Great. As you can see, now my text, which is below the image, is nicely surrounding the image, and the only thing I need to do is add some margin so that the text doesn't stick to the image. So let's do that. I'm going to just go here, margin, I'm going to add to units and to units. Thank you for watching.